Okay, a few steps from where I've just done the wedding ring test. That's Bobby just walking past me coil. Okay, just in front of the coil, middle of the coil, back of the coil. Now it's getting to a point where I know I haven't got to walk all the way round. I don't have to do that anymore because that target is so strong, and it's just shouting, dig me, dig me, dig me. So, dig me, we shall. Bliss says it's in there, and I have absolutely no reason to doubt it. And there we go. Close to the top of the plug than the bottom. Pinpoint don't seem to want to find it, but it's it got it when I rammed it in there. So let's have a look. Just open that up a little bit. There we go. Zoom in, it's going to be. What are we getting this guy? A little buckle, but it looks a bit. Oh, still got the little clasp in it. There you go, little bottle. Boy, harness type, small belt type harnessy type buckle. So there you go, give us a dig me. We gave it a dig and it's worked.